Today, we are going to look into a warning that appears in the platform and it might look scary at first, but it's actually very easy to solve. As you can see here, it tells us that there are new campaigns without a budget group assigned. When that happens, it means that you probably created a new campaign and never assigned a budget group within Shirofune. Solving this problem is very easy. All you got to do is to enter your actual Shirofune account and right away click up here on budget settings. Once budget settings opens, you will see that this client has set up his budget by budget group. You're going to scroll down all the way to the second table, click on edit, and here you filter by enabled campaigns, and then you click right here, scroll to the bottom and click not managed. As you can see, there are two campaigns with no budget group assigned. The client can decide to assign them to a budget group and the warning will be gone.